right in there. We'll do a fit first, and then we're gonna put in the thermal paste, and then we'll snug it in. This is the NTH8 thermal paste. We're just gonna dab that right around the middle there. Just need very little so that it does get pressed on there and it gets spread out. So this is the only way it'll fit on here, is this way. And once it's all done, it should look like this. Pretty good, nice and snug. Now for mounting the motherboard, what you need to do is look for a spot where there's kind of a rectangular hole for this area right here. And